Hey Andy, it's Josh Betzel. It was good talking to you on the phone earlier today. And this is that video I was telling you about that I was going to send over. I'm going to be showing you how to bring in more customers to your business, specifically three things. All right. So you're most likely sitting there, you're asking yourself, Josh, why are you shooting this video for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet could benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from somebody is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like what you do, Josh. Could you please keep doing this for me? So by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me get into this video and show you exactly how to beat your competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to go over is content. And when I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but what type of keywords you're using. So I plugged your content on your homepage in this wordcounter.net. You came up to 36 words of pure content, okay? What we really want to be is 1,500 words at least to be optimized with Google, and this is the reason why. Google sends out these robots, and these robots that crawl and look for these keywords in the content. And the more content you have, the more they crawl. So now you're wondering, Josh, what keywords are you talking about? So I come over here to this Keywords Everywhere tool I use. It's phenomenal. It's about $10 for 100,000 credits, which will last you a couple of months. And it shows you what keywords you're ranking for. And it shows me that you're not ranking for any keywords right now. So for comparison, I'm going to go to your competition, which is Mike Necka Flooring. All right. Mike's your competition because when you type in flooring companies in Jacksonville, Florida, the search bar, you got your ads and your map pack, and we'll get to that in a second. But Mike is ranked number 1 organically. Okay. Therefore, your competition. So on his website, when I plug him into Keywords Everywhere, he comes up with all these keywords that he's ranking for. Jacksonville Flooring, flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida. Flooring contractors, Jacksonville, Florida, flooring installers, and so on. And as you can see the volume of how many searches a month these keywords are getting. All right. So all these people are looking for services tailored to your company in your area, and you could be missing out on them since Mike's ranked number 1. The second thing I want to talk to you about was just how this homepage is built real quick in Google. Of course, you have the search bar and you have the ads. And ads are good, okay, but research shows they're only semi-effective. It could become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. All right, but the second important thing I want to talk to you about was citations, and that's how you get ranked into this map pack actually. And I believe when I found you on the third page of Google, which isn't bad, all right, but we don't want to just be on the first page of the map pack. We want to be in the top 3. So when people are searching for those keywords, their eyes are already on your service in your company, okay? So what are citations? Everything what we call a NAP, name, address, or phone number, all right? And you really need to have about 200 to 300 citations to be beating your competition out by a landslide in this map pack, okay? And when I plugged you into this little local citation finder by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca, you came up with 12 so far. All right, so we're getting somewhere, but we definitely need more. I also see on your Google Map Pack that you got some 5 stars, 10 Google reviews. All right, reviews are phenomenal. Try to get your customers to review on Google. I cannot stress that enough. And definitely put a description in your map pack. I believe Google allows a 750 character count of description, and you definitely want to implement that to its extreme and nail those keywords into your description as well. All right. The last thing I want to talk to you about with your website was backlinks and link juice. So what are backlinks and link juice? Basically, this is how it works. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting as link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. So I go over here to my little tool called Ahrefs. It's a phenomenal SEO tool. I use it every single day. It costs you about $170 a month, and it shows you referring domains, the drive, and your integrity of the website. And it also shows you keywords over here, just like the Keywords Everywhere tool. But it shows me here that you have 16 referring domains and 106 backlinks. All right, but there's more to it than that. This link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have, let's say LinkedIn again, if you have LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than, let's say, Pizza Hut linking at you. Because let's be honest, you sling floor installations for a living, you don't sling pizzas. All right. When I plugged your competition, which was Mike's website, into his Ahrefs, he came up with, I think, that 37 referring domains, 189 backlinks. So you don't want to just match, but you want to surpass. And you don't want to just surpass, but you want to be relative. That is very, very important when you're setting up backlinks, because you're going to have to be going through what blog posts are what blog comments are needed, what influence links are needed, what guest posts are needed, what citations are needed. And all those are referring domains of backlinks that will give your website drive if they're relative. Okay? So I hope this was pretty helpful for you, and I bet you're thinking, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Once again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.